be gone.
Damn, Daniel. Guess who was forgetting to do stuff this time again?
Alright. This fucking... There's no orientation this has to go on.
Is that a spaceship? So we do gotta compress, huh? Whee!
Jesus Lord!
Oh shit, is it supposed to lower it? Because one bolt's already on. Okay, twist it.
Wait, I knew that bolt.
Wow, I can't.
Fuck!
Did you lower it like a bunch?
Let's take out this bolt.
Ooh, I'm a BMW. I use special bolts. Ooh.
Watching that gave me cancer.
Got his ass. And what happened, Marcus? Why'd you do all the work this time?
I did it faster.
Hey, this is your car. You get to do everything.
I don't mind it.
It's not. I don't know. It's like one in the fucking GTA group chat that you're not in. It's all spam. How you feel, dude? You're not in the GTA group chat.
Who the fuck is in that chat?
Swear. I felt for that shit, bro. I knew there was more than two, though. Didn't even know there was one of these fuckers in the rear, bro. I thought it was only in the front.
What?
The ride height sensor.
Alright, dude, this nipple thing has to line up in there. You can see it. Look at that light. Shine it upwards.
I'm filming.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah. Yeah, you can.
You know what would make this so much easier? Get a piece of wood for this jack.
For real.
We'll find one.
Have more service. We started in day, now it is night.
Dude, we started at dusk.
I mean, we started at like 4. On camera, it looks so bright out. Like, look at my phone. It looks bright as shit.
Dude, where's my thing? Oh, right here.
Damn, who's sick M3 is that, man? Low boy, dude. For real. God damn, it's so fucking foggy. God, you'll never believe how Marcus did with the jack.
Shut the fuck up.
I know, bro. feel like an ass.
Snapchat. This motherfucker doesn't know how to work a jack.
I'm sorry.
Dude,
Well,
what time is it? You can't even tell with that light on it.
Yeah, you can.
I mean, it just looks like it's scratched.
What's going on? Future Koozie here. Yeah, that whole side skirt shenanigan that I only got like a short clip of, that was my fault. I mean, there was really nothing I could do. The car slid off the jack pad and then it destroyed the side skirt. I feel like an asshole. Marcus doesn't really care. I feel like he does, but he doesn't want to say it. But like, he plans on getting the msport side skirts anyways, so I guess it's not that big of a deal. But still, it's fucked. Destroyed the side skirt, just slid right off and fucking ripped it. It was scary. At least the door jamb didn't get fucked up, because then, whew, it would have been horrible. Would have been horrible. Yeah, I'm at work on break, eating Uncrustable. I don't even know if you can hear me. I got the AC on full blast. It's hot as shit. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. I might add more to this video. I have a diverter valve that came in today, but I won't install it till Friday. Might add that to this video. Might make that as just a whole nother video. I do have a start stop button, so I might add it to this video. I don't know. I'll see. Because I also ordered the OEM BMW carbonfiber and Alcantara e-brake. Looks pretty badass. But that's not here yet. So I don't know. I might make this video just as is, or I'll add the start stop button to it, or I'll make the start stop button and the Alcantara video one, and then have the diverter valve as a whole video. I don't know yet. So we'll see.